Good morning, everyone. So we are waiting for some other participant to join. I request all the participants to wait for a few minutes. Thank you. Okay. Good morning, everyone. On this occasion of Children's Day, we PC Labs proudly present the app development workshop on MIT App Inventor. Without further delay, let me start the session. Yeah. So first of all, what is mobile app development? What is mobile app first? So mobile app is nothing but it's a type of application designed to run on a mobile devices. We know that in our world, mostly addicted towards the mobile applications. Like we used to play user playing applications, messaging applications. So many applications was there nowadays, right? Example, we are using for ordering a food, we are using your applications. To buy something from online, we are getting the application. Even to transfer money from one person to another, we are using application, right? So this is a smart way to develop a mobile application with whatever the things we require that will be done in this workshop. Okay. Even if mobile apps are usually small software units with limited functions, they still manage to provide user with quality services and experience. So today also we are going to make two exciting applications, and we are going to make use of an interfaces inside of App Inventor, and we are going to make that one. Yes. Fine. So first of all, what is mobile app inventor? I mean, what we are going to use to make this mobile app. So here we are going to use MIT App Inventor to make your mobile apps. So MIT App Inventor, which allows you to make your own app. It has a graphical representation of block coding, and it has so many user interfaces like sensors and layouts. What are the things we require, we can able to do it. Yeah. So introduction to graphical programming. We might hear about lines of codings, right? Like we use to type in C programming, Java, and Python like that. But this programming is very easiest way for a beginner to make their thinking to get into the real world applications. So here we are going to learn about what is App Inventor, why we use App Inventor, and what are the structures there to follow a maintain mobile app, and the two projects we are going to design today. So first of all, how to build an Android apps. We have two types of apps, right? One will be an Android app, another will be as an web app. So today we are going to learn about how to make an Android app first. So if you can learn how to code, okay, and that will be a first step to make the application. We have to make use of our interfaces, and we are going to make screens in our application, and we are going to make it to perform in such a way what you have to do. But that's long and cumbersome way, right? So keeping some of the things and making it to code like pages and pages of coding we are going to do. Not like that. This app inventor will allow you to make you to make in graphical interfaces. Using that, we can make use of a blocks, and you're going to set an instructions in it. Okay. Why app inventor is build fully function apps without a single line of code. You're not going to write anything here. Use an easy way of using GUI. GUI is nothing but it's an graphical unit interface. Okay, to build a mobile application here. So building app is very quick and easy in this application. So app inventor, the advantage of using an app inventor is nothing but first thing, it doesn't require any coding here. You're not going to do any single coding, okay? And build fully functional app without a single line of coding, I told you, right? Virtual programming language you're going to use, that is drag and drop interface we are going to use. They're not going to type anything else. Use an easy to use GUI to build the Android app. GUI is nothing but it's like a puzzle-like structures. We are going to drag and drop, and we have to make the instructions. So build an app quick. Real-time development and deployment will be done here. So requirements for making the app. First thing, we require a web browser, and we require an Android app and the good internet connection with an app inverter software. Yeah. First of all, we will see about how to set up the thing. Okay. You have to go to Google. In Google, we have to type it MIT App Inverter. Okay. It will allow you to the web page of the MIT App Inverter to work. Then once you complete the programming, we have to connect with the mobile device first to check everything. Then you can create your shareable link and you can share with your friends and family and relatives. Okay. The structure of making this one. First thing is design. We have to design a window first. Okay. What the component has to become first and how it's going to work. And we have to set the property of it. Then we have to go to block editor and you have to set the behavior of the components and assign the behavior for that. Okay. Then we have to connect with the mobile emulator to be used in a real time on your phone. Yeah. First project we are going to make now. That is, I'll show you now. Just a minute. So I hope that everyone have a laptop with you. So just go to Google and type MIT App Inverter. Okay. Once you click that, you have to get into the MIT App Inverter login. So I hope that everyone have a laptop with you. You can log in this website with your email ID. So once you get into it, just click create app. Just 2 minutes. So it will ask your account to join. Just click your Google account. Okay. Once you click that one, it will take you to the project which you have made before. Okay. You have to go to projects now. Click start new project. So you have to give your project name. So today I'm going to make a project called Owning and Offing of LED. So light on project I'm going to make. I click OK. Once I click OK, it will take the page of designing of your mobile app. So this is my screen. I told you that today we are going to make an Android app, right? So this is your page. Here you have to design your app looks. So first of all, I'm going to set my app layout. For that, in the left side, you can find a user interface modules. You have to click layout. In layout, I have to click vertical arrangement. Okay. So in vertical arrangement, we have to set up parameters also. So I'm setting my parameter that alignment horizontal. So horizontal means it be this side. Okay. CE side. So I'm going to make it to be in a center. So click center. Once you click center, we have to fix the height and width of your screen. So my screen should be full parent. It should be apparent fully on my screen. So I'm keeping that full parent. So my height is this, and then a width also I have to fix for the same level. Okay. Once you've done this, okay, we can upload a image. For uploading an image, you can download it from a internet. So let me tell you how to do it. So go to user interfaces. In user interface, you can find image. Just drag and drop it here. Once you drop that, you can go and adjust your height and width of your parameter of image. So I'm going to, there is no images actually present in my app inventor. So I'm going to upload a file. Choose file. Wait, let me download from internet itself. Go to Google. I'm going to download light on PNG image. The images. I'm going to make a bulb. So here, once the bulb is on, it might be in a yellow in color. So I'm going to choose this and download it. For my convenience, I'm going to put the name of it to be light on. For light off, I can choose this image. Save image. Light off. Okay. Then go to your app inventor. Choose a file of your thing what you have going to make. So I'm clicking lights on. Once you upload it, click OK. Now we have uploaded a image. Okay, but my lights has to on when I switch the light only, right? So I'm going to make it to be invisible. For that, I have to disable here. Now we can't able to see the app element. Then again, I'm going to add another image. In that image, I'm going to upload a light off image. So you have to go to image to pictures, upload file, choose file. This we have to choose light off. Click OK. Yeah. So we have uploaded two files. One is for on and one is for off lights, right? So we have to click a switch. For making a switch, I'm going to use an interface called button. So I'm going to drag and drop a button bottom of it. So I'm going to change the button name as turn on. If you want to make the style of the font, you can make changes here. I'm going to make the text to be bold and I'm going to fix the background color to be this one. And even I can change the shape of the button also. So I'm making it to be rounded. So this is all about our interfacing of a design. Okay. Once we have completed design, okay, Here you can find this actual design we are making. Once we complete the design, we have to command it to what it to do, right? To do that, we are going to use an graphical programming, that is the blocks. Here you can find blocks. Click the blocks. And once we got this one, we have to click buttons. Vertical arrangement. In vertical arrangement, we have fixed three parameters. One is image 1, image 2, and button. First, when the button is clicked, your light has to get on. So, buttons, when button is clicked. Okay, when button is clicked, it has to turn on the light. When the button is clicked, image 2 will be visible, and image 1 we have to make it to off. I mean, okay. Just go to design. Once we complete design, we have to connect it with your MIT app inverter, which is present in your mobile phone. We have to download MIT AI2 companion here so that we can connect your software with an Android device. So let me join in my mobile phone and share my screen. Just a minute. Okay. Once you get into the MIT app inverter, it will ask you to join your device doesn't appear to have a Wi-Fi connection. Just continue without Wi-Fi. Okay. Once you click that, we have to scan the QR code, which is in your website, which you have created. So go here. You have to click connect. In connect, you have to click AI companion. So you will find the QR code and as well as your code also. We have to scan it. Once you scan your code, it will show like this. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen on the mobile. Yeah, this will be appear in your mobile phone. Okay. If you find the arrangement was not proper, just get into again your app inverter and arrange it as of your convenience. So my width of this is bigger. I'm going to reduce that now. See this off button, off light will be very high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it height and length of it. So I'm going to make it for 50. You have to arrange as of your wish. So go to this, click bottom of it. Automatic. So it is very less, right? So it will change and again it will be updated once you get out from this page and then you can open. It will be looks like that only. Okay. When you click it in your mobile phone, it will make your light to on. If you off that, it will make your light to off. That's what it will do. Okay. So this is actually a basic instructions to make how to assemble the parameters in your design page and to make a block. Okay. So now which we are going to make is, I told you because we are going to make a talking tom today. So what talking tom will do? Any idea? Everyone used to play talking tom, right? You can share your answers in chat box. So we are going to make talking tom. Just open your thing, talking tom. Yeah. Once you open this, we have to arrange again your parameters. So first, I'm going to keep a layout. In that, I'm going to choose a vertical arrangement. Just to drag and drop in here and arranging its height and width of it. Once you open this, we have to arrange again your parameters. So first, I'm going to keep. Once you fix this, again, I'm going to use sensors here. Okay. Here you can find text to speech. Go to media. In media, you can find speech recognizer, and we have to use text to speech block here. Once you keep that, we have to fix talking tom, right? For that, I'm going to use user interface called image. Okay, in this image, I'm going to upload a tom image. Okay, so I'm going to click it here. Go to pictures, upload a file, choose file. This I have already downloaded the image of Tom. So, talking Tom, open. Okay, the size is very big, right? So I'm going to make it to fix it. frames are automatic. Go to percentage, 30%. Right. And then your width, it's just 10. Okay. Then go to vertical arrangement, fix it in the center. Once you fix this one, just use button. Hit the button here and make the button into the top to me. And you can change the color of the font and you can change the size of the font also. I'm giving bold and making it to 16. I'm saying the default color should be like no, it's not that much good. Green. Once you keep this, we have to go to core blocks. So in blocks, in vertical arrangement, buttons, you have to click. When button one is clicked, okay, when button one is clicked, it should call text to speech, okay, and it has to recognize the speech of it. What we are speaking, it has to tell that one. Speech result, just add a speech result here. Okay. So now again, we have to take your mobile phone, open your MIT companion. Just a minute, I'm scanning it again. Go to connect. AI companion. Connect with code. Or scan QR code. Yeah. Wait, I'll share my screen of mobile phone and let me show you the output of it. Hello. 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 Just a minute. Just a minute. Actually, a network connection. So once I rectify it, I'll show the output of it. So we'll do it for one more time because I'm facing some network issue. So we'll rectify that one now. Yeah, let me connect it again. Yeah. So I have changed my device. So now it's telling that. You can see my phone here. Here you can find the same project. So now I'm going to run this. I'm going to click start here. Once I click start, it will take you to the Google Assistant. It will listen to your voice first. So I'm clicking the hello.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Welcome to BCC Labs Presents.
Welcome to BCC Labs Presence.
Okay, so whatever you are telling, that Tom can able to tell. If you wish to make the Tom to react to your comments, you can do by using of gifters. Okay, but now it is not available. Once you join the course, these things will be explained with you, and we will make a link for sharing the application, and we can share with our friends also. Is it clear? Anyone have doubts? by using of difference. Okay, but now it is better one. Once you join, that's fine. These things will be explained with you, and we will make a link for sharing the application, and we can share with our friends. So now, so another application I will show you that how it works is we can find a location of where you're from. Okay, if you're going somewhere and you want to check the location, means you have to go to Google Map and you have to check it, right? The same way, but this application will be developed by yourself. You can share with your friends and you can tell to your family members that you have made this map, right? So I'm going here to make a project. Create a new project here. Google Map. Okay. Once you do this, you have to go to maps. Just drag and drop a map here. Once you pick this one, just make it to full apparent. Okay, but it shows that Cambridge Port and something, right? But it's not the exact location of my where I'm from. So I'm going to use a user interface called button. This one. Drag and drop it here. Right, fix it in center. So center means you have to go to vertical arrangement. In vertical arrangement, keep center. Make this text to be find my location. Then the font size should be bold. Default color. Now you can change. I'm keeping gray now. So I'm fixing the shape of it also. So once you've done this, go to blocks. Button will be there. When button one is clicked, you have to get the information from your longitude and latitude, right? With that, just a minute. Connectivity error will be there, but I'll share that one more time. And now we can able to see my screen. Fine. So for sensing something, we have to keep it location sensor here. So drag and drop a location sensor to locate your position. Go to blocks, location sensor block. We need a latitude and longitude of that. And the longitude of it. latitude, longitude, and latitude. With this, go to map. Hold on, you can find call map here. In call map, you have to use latitude and the longitude of it. Once you fix that, then you can connect it with your MIT app companion in your mobile phone. Then you can check your location where the exact position of yours actually. So let me show that. Just a minute. Latitude and longitude is there. Sorry, I think I have to share my screen. Just a minute. Yeah. So once you keep this one, we have to make it make an zoom, right? So where your exact position you want to know means you have to zoom the map. So for making zooming the map, you have to go to map. In map, you can find a block called 0. Okay. So I'm going to make it to 10. I'm keeping 10. Now I'm going to use with my companion. Click connect. Again, go to a companion. Continue without a Wi-Fi. Scan QR code, or you can type the code also. So now I'm sharing my mobile phone. I'm going to click find my location. So it shows Aragon, right? So we are from Aragon basically. So it shows like that. If you can't able to see clearly, you can keep more zoom. This is what exact location of us. We have made our own app map also today. So Google Map we use to use our Google product, but this is your own product. You can send and share with your friends and make them to do it. Any doubts? Okay, I'm just stop sharing the screen. Yeah. So right now we made actually 3 projects. We planned for 2 only, but we made 3 projects. First one we made a light to on and off. Then we made a talking tom. It will reply whatever you're telling to that, like how the talking tom is working as in real time. Then we have made a map. Okay, Google Map we have made by our own. It shows your location exactly where you're from. Hold on.